Hey everyone, did you know that the best action camera for 2025 might not always be the most expensive one? That's right, there are some hidden gems out there that pack a serious punch without breaking the bank. So, what should you look for when picking the perfect action camera for your adventures? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top action cameras of 2025, comparing all their features to help you decide which one is truly worth your hard-earned cash. Stay tuned because by the end, I'll be revealing the ultimate winner based on overall performance. Let's jump right in. On number 6, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo. First up, if you're someone who values battery life and low-light performance, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is definitely a contender. With over 2 hours of 4K 60 FPS recording, it blows most of its competitors out of the water, including the popular GoPro Hero 13. Plus, it features 47 GB built-in storage, a 40 MP sensor, and fantastic low-light capabilities, making it an excellent option for shooting in dim or challenging lighting conditions. It's perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly, reliable camera that can handle extreme conditions and long shoots. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is also equipped with superb stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even in the most challenging environments. However, the color rendering might not be ideal for everyone, and the close focus distance isn't as sharp as some other models like the GoPro. Despite these minor drawbacks, it remains a solid choice for adventure sports or vlogging. If you're after a dependable action camera that won't break the bank but still delivers impressive results, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro could be the one for you. On number 5, Insta360 Go 3S 64GB white 4K tiny portable. Next up is the Insta360 Go 3S, a tiny powerhouse that packs a serious punch. We're talking 4K video in a device that weighs just 1.38 ounces. It's perfect for casual creators and vloggers, with excellent stabilization and a flip-up screen for easy self-shooting. Despite its small size, it provides smooth, high-quality footage, making it an excellent choice for capturing quick action shots or impromptu adventures. The 4K video at 30 FPS ensures crisp, detailed footage, and the portability of the device means you can take it anywhere without hassle. However, it does have some limitations. It doesn't support external microphones, which could be a downside for those who need superior audio quality, and its storage is non-expandable. The built-in 64GB storage should suffice for shorter shoots, but if you're planning something longer, you may want to opt for the 128GB model. While this camera might not offer all the advanced features of its competitors, it remains an excellent ultra-portable option for casual content creation. Overall, if you're after a portable, easy-to-use camera for quick action shots or short videos, the Insta360 Go 3S is a great pick. On number 4, Ohm System Tough TG7 Red. Underwater camera. For those who love adventure sports, the Ohm System Tough TG7 is built like a tank. Whether you're diving into deep waters or trekking up snowy peaks, this camera can withstand it all. It's waterproof to 50 FE, freeze-proof, dust-proof, shock-proof, and crush-proof. Perfect for extreme environments. With its great macro capabilities, it's also perfect for capturing intricate details up close with up to 44x magnification. The Tough TG7 excels in extreme durability, making it the perfect companion for anyone who needs a rugged camera that can handle rough conditions. However, it's not the best in low-light conditions, as it uses a 12 MP sensor, and its video capabilities are somewhat limited to 4K at 30 FPS. So the sensor struggles in dimly lit environments, and there's a slight rolling shutter effect when capturing fast-moving subjects. Still, if you're into outdoor adventures and need a camera that can survive any environment, the Ohm System Tough TG7 is a fantastic option. For outdoor enthusiasts, it's a great choice, but don't expect it to rival the top contenders in video quality or flexibility. On number 3, GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black remains a powerhouse despite being overshadowed by newer models. With 5.3K/60p video, hypersmooth 4 stabilization, and options for slow motion shots, it offers incredible performance at a relatively affordable price. It's perfect for those who want top quality footage and reliable performance, especially if you're into action-packed adventures or social media content creation. Its stabilization system, Hypersmooth 4, ensures that even in fast-paced conditions, the footage remains buttery smooth. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, traveling, or just exploring, the Hero 10 provides excellent results. However, its low-light performance still isn't the best, and the sensor feels a bit outdated compared to newer models, which may result in softer footage in darker environments. But for the price and the features it offers, the Hero 10 Black is hard to beat. it remains a solid option for content creators looking for reliable footage without breaking the bank, especially when considering the excellent performance it delivers at its on number 2, GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black introduces an innovative interchangeable lens system offering macro, ultra-wide, and anamorphic lenses. This allows for greater versatility whether you're shooting wide-angle vistas or detailed close-ups. The Hero 13 also boasts improved HDR video support and a longer battery life than the Hero 12, making it perfect for those looking to get creative with their shots. Whether you're into filming cinematic scenes or capturing wide-angle shots, the Hero 13 offers greater flexibility with its lens options. However, its low light performance still lags behind some of the other models on the market, and while the battery life is good, it's not as great as the DJI Action 5 Pro. The Hero 13 Black's interchangeable lenses and magnetic mount system make it a versatile choice for any creator who values creative flexibility. While it's an impressive upgrade, those who already own a recent GoPro might not find the differences significant enough to warrant an immediate upgrade. Still, for first-time buyers, it offers plenty of innovation and creative possibilities. On number 1, GoPro Hero 12 Black. Finally, the GoPro Hero 12 Black takes the crown as the best action camera in 2025. It offers improved battery life, better heat tolerance, and smarter stabilization. The Hero 12 supports log video and HDR recording in both 5.3K and 4K, which is perfect for editing and post-production. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or darker environments, the Hero 12 adapts to ensure the best quality footage. It also supports wireless audio and has a timecode sync feature, making it an excellent choice for professional content creators who need precise synchronization and high-quality sound. The main downside is that the menu system could be more user-friendly and the interface feels clunky compared to competitors like DJI and Insta360. Despite these minor flaws, the Hero 12 remains an incredibly reliable and versatile camera. If you're upgrading from an older model or getting your first action cam, the Hero 12 is reliable and built to last, a perfect companion for your adventures or content creation. The winner, GoPro Hero 12 Black. After comparing all these amazing cameras, the GoPro Hero 12 Black takes the top spot for its reliability, stabilization, and versatility. Whether you're a pro looking for advanced features or a beginner after a dependable camera, the Hero 12 ticks all the boxes. With superior battery life, impressive video quality, and ease of use, it stands out as the best option for your adventures or content creation. If you're looking for an action camera that can handle extreme environments, deliver stunning video, and offer flexibility, the Hero 12 Black is the clear winner. So which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more info on these cameras. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.